Hello, so today I am going to show you how Google Meet works. Hang with me because I'm using my Chromebook and my phone at the same time, so there might be a little bit of microphone feedback at times, but I'll try my best to stop that. So I've gone onto Google, I've typed in Meet, Google Meet, and I've got this page. So I'm logged into my Google account, start or join a meeting. So I'm going to call the meeting Niall call test. Okay, click continue. Now I can see it's going to generate my the password here. Niall call test. Even though I put in spaces and capital letters, it's done it that way, and that's absolutely fine. When you first do it, up at the top, it'll possibly ask you if you want to allow camera and microphone. Just hit allow so you can use them both. Before you click join now, it's important that you turn off your microphone, because otherwise, if everybody's talking at once and everybody logs in at once, you're not going to be able to hear a thing. So make sure that you turn off your microphone. Okay, so I'm going to hit join now. Okay, and on my phone, I am going to hit meeting code. I'm going to type in Niall call test, join meeting. Okay. And I've had to turn off the microphone there. So I can see, if I view, this is my webcam that you can see. If I click on the other device, that is the phone's webcam that you can see. If I click back onto me, click on the screen so that everyone knows, and then I'm going to hit microphone. Now on my phone, I can hear myself speaking through the Chromebook. Down at the bottom, I'm going to hit turn on captions. And on my phone, I'm also going to hit turn on captions. So I can now see everything that I am saying on both the Chromebook and on my phone. There's the captions, and you can see the captions down at the bottom as well. Loads of people can join in. It's really simple to do. You can present your screen as well. So if you've got hold on, there we go. So if you have a presentation that you want to show everyone, you can do that from present now as well. So to end the call, on your phone, you're just going to tap the screen and hit hang up. And on the Chromebook, tap the leave call, and that's you done. Thank you.